Here it comes. Okay, I'm at the Hay Street number 1 railroad crossing, and we got a palmetto coming. Looks like we got a Siemens locomotive that is pulling the train today. Last week, freight train was passing by, then it stopped at the yard to collect more cars. Okay. Although it is weird that Hay Street actually activates before Franklin Street does. I don't know why. Alright, Russell Street is now activated. Alright, Hay Street is now activated. Good distance. Here it comes. I wonder if they sold some of the old baggage cars to another railroad or something. I've been wondering about that. Yeah, the NEGE belt and GS Type 1 make a great combo. Yeah, it's a shame the GS Type 1 on that single got replaced in the summer of 2021, but oh well. At least this bell and that bell makes a great combo.